In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to get started with Canva, from signing up to creating your first presentation. First, go to canva.com in your browser. You can sign up using your Google account, Apple account, or any email address. Choose whichever is easiest. Once you're in, Canva automatically saves all your work to the cloud, so nothing gets lost. Here on the homepage, you'll see everything Canva offers. First, let's look at templates. This is where you can browse or search thousands of templates. For example, I can type in website design and Canva gives me ready to edit options. Templates are a huge time saver. Next, your design. All your previous projects go up here. It's quick and easy to access. Canva auto saves constantly, so all your work is safe. Lastly, Canva AI. This is like a built-in AI assistant. You can ask it things like, write an email to my boss asking for time off. It can generate ideas, rewrite text, and help you speed up your workflow. On the left-hand side, you'll see the sidebar, project section. This includes folders, just like your design area, but more organized. You can create folders for clients for different type of designs or keep things separate for your work and personal life. Next is the brand section. Think of this as your business style guide. If you have specific colors, fonts, or logos, files you always use, you can save them here. This makes it super easy to keep all your designs consistent. Let's create a quick presentation to show how it all works. First, browse and choose your presentation style. Once you've chosen your template, you can edit the presentation just like you will be able to in PowerPoint or Word document. On the left sidebar lies many ways to edit your presentation. Here, you can change the text, edit the colors, swap images, or add graphics. You can also upload photos if you need. If you have brand kit saved, just click it and Canva automatically adjusts the entire presentation to your brand colors and fonts. Everything is customizable, so even if you start with a template, you can make it completely your own work. When you're done, click Share in the top right corner. You can download as a PDF share a link, invite someone to collaborate with you. Canva makes sharing really simple. Now, let's take a deeper look at Canva's AI features. This is where Canva really becomes a time saving tool. We will look at Canva AI in more detail, showing what it can create. You can generate an entire presentation using just a simple prompt. Simply type what you want. For example, create a 6 slide presentation teaching beginners how to start a chat GPT account. Canva will automatically generate slides, headings, images, and layouts for you. You can then edit it just like any other template. Change colors, replace images, adjust text, anything. Before giving you your final presentation, Canva will give you a preview. And once you're happy, just click Generate Design. You can also create unique images with AI. Type a prompt such as someone working on his laptop at his desk for my presentation. Canva instantly generates images you can drop into your designs. Super helpful for getting the right images to match the right slides. It also allows you to create or rewrite content fast. For example, you can ask, can you rewrite this and make it sound more casual? Me and the boss get along well. It's great for captions, emails, scripts, product descriptions, anything really you need written. Canva also has AI video generation, where you can create full videos just by typing a prompt. This feature is a part of Canva Pro, so if you're using the free version, you'll only see a preview. It's a powerful tool if you create content often. By clicking this, it automatically shows you the upgrade options. Canva Pro gives you things like premium templates, background remover, and much more. And that's it. You now know how to navigate Canva.